Alright, so this is something I haven't done with this knife before, but I've done it with knives in the past. We'll see what happens. If you guys don't know how to open up a can in a survival apocalyptic mode, you know, like your I Am Legend surviving and all that kind of stuff, you can do it like this. I'll just use another can because I'm savage like that. So what you do is go to the edge and you put your knife. That's your pocket knife, your garbage knife, your I don't care about knife. And usually I use like a rock or something to bang it, but whatever. And you just kind of give it one of those. And you break the seal, and then you back up this way, and you just cut into that, and you keep cutting into it, and you go all the way around. And this is how it's done, ladies and gentlemen. Oh yeah, you get that survivability down, brother.
So, I hate to tell you, but the Boston Crab was not a signature move for any one wrestler. It was
Really?
Adam Rose used it. Jericho used it.
Yeah, I think it was Jericho I remembered using it the most. Chris Jericho?
Chris Jericho.
Yeah.
Not even in
kid
frame.
right from Charlton was a professional wrestler, right, Gary? I went to high school with him.
Who's that?
Kenny Doan.
Yeah.
Yep. He was in high school. We played football together.
I used to date his mother.
No. Really?
When I was divorced, I was him and his mother. I lived with him and his mother for 9 years.
Kenny?
Yeah.
Oh, he's a big kid.
I helped raise Kenny. Kenny was just a little 5-year-old kid when
I wish I knew that in high school, man.
That's crazy. The
Could have
life,
used that fuel when he was throwing me around on the football field. He was a big kid, man.
the life
He
of
still
Gary.
is.
The life of Gary.
He was a good kid in high school. He kind of turned into a punk a little bit after, but he's a good kid now.
No, I don't hear much from him. I'm friends with him on Facebook, and I haven't heard from him in a while.
I saw him at a Red Sox game.
Even his
after
brother
he gave up.
Mike Doan. Mike, he's not as tall as Kenny is, but he's far more muscular than Kenny is.
Kenny's a big dude too, especially once he got into wrestling. Right after he gave up wrestling, I think he got back into it. But right after he kind of gave it up after his main go at it, I saw him at a Red Sox game, and we were shooting the shit.
I haven't heard much from him in a while.
Yeah, he was I think a senior or a junior when I was a freshman at Bay Path. And yeah, he's a great football player, and he went off and wrestled right after that. And
1 second, guys. I'm gonna just end this. So this is how it's done. I open a can, survival style, and sometimes you don't quite get it perfect. You have to kind of go to those pieces and just pop them. Make sure it's good. Oh, there's another one to pop right there, right here. Oh yeah. Just go around, popping them up. There it is. One more to pop, right here.
Oh, George the Animal Steel. I forgot about him.
That's how you do it. My blade ain't no worse for the wear, brother. Ain't no worse for the wear. Honestly, it's fine. I'm not even worried about it. I'll make feather sticks with it right now. No big deal. Whatever. That's what it's there for. Alright, so just to give a full disclosure on what's the deal with the knife. Obviously, cutting through steel, it's gonna do some damage, but didn't chip it out or anything. It's all there. It's all there. Give me something to carve, man. Right? still carves. Right on. Right on. That's how you open a can in a survival mode with a blade. Oh yeah. Get you some